Hello everyone. Today I didn't make an introductional speech at the beginning of the surgery because we had another surgery. That's why we wanted to be a little bit hurry to start with. Anyway, so today's the case is going to be breast uplift with implant and tummy tuck with liposuction. And I have already performed the breast lift with implant, and I am just putting the skin sutures now, and then we're going to go down to the belly to do the liposuction and the tummy tuck. So today's case has a little bit different portion because when we're going to harvest the fat from the belly place, as I told you, the lipotummy tuck anyway. So I'm not going to throw away those fat tissues because we need them to inject to her outer thigh, because she had a surgery before for hip joint replacement, and after that the scar of that surgery was a little bit indent, and I'm going to use the fat that I harvested from her belly to inject, to elevate, to lift that indent on her outer thigh. And maybe we can talk about that at that time. For now, see you. Bye. Hi again. Okay, so I finished the breast, tummy, and now, as I told you, I will inject the fat to her indent previous surgery. She had an hip replacement here, and previous surgery has left like indent here. As you see, when I press with my tip of my finger, you can easily see it. There isn't like an indent area here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my cannula inside, and I will find the right place, and then I will start to inject the fat exactly the place that I want to inject. So this is a fat transfer gun. With that gun we can transfer a huge amount of fat, especially, as you know, BBL, Brazilian butt lift, is made by a fat injection, by your fat injection to do bumps, and with this kind of fat transfer gun, that is so easy. Okay, at the end of the operation I will talk to you what I have done. Bye. Okay, so I have done and finished the operation actually. So as I told you, we did breast lift with implant. So because she has had a saggy breast and at the same time empty breast, so to achieve upper fullness, exactly the upper pole fullness, exactly for the decollete fullness, so we needed to place an implant, and we did it actually, and she has now really good and uplifted and full breast totally, and she will have really good decollete place. Anyway, so what I have done the tummy tuck. Of course she had an on the stomach especially, and at the waist she had like a fat accumulation, and I did liposuction to those two areas and harvest that fat tissue. Even the tissue that I was planning to remove it with tummy tuck, I did liposuction on it as well. Why? Because I needed to have those fat tissue to inject her outer thigh. As I showed you in the video, On the outer thigh, she had previous hip joint replacement surgery, and because of that surgery and the scar, she had an indentation there. And to elevate that indent, to make it better, so what I have done, I just processed the fat that I harvested, and then processed fat has been transferred to the outer thigh via that gun, as I showed you, and she's going to have a smoother outer thigh, and she will be pleased about all the results, I believe. And this is what I'm going to do, tell you today, and you're going to see the before and after pictures exactly during this video, and enjoy. And don't forget, please follow, subscribe my channel, and at the same time push the button for the alert, so when we put a new video, it will give you an alert, and you will notify that we already downloaded or uploaded a video. Bye.